The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is one impressive phone with a slim, lightweight design, a powerful new chipset, improved durability, and the whole suite of Galaxy AI features. Unfortunately, the new phone is also more expensive than last year's model. Prices start at $1,899, $100 more than you'd pay for an equivalent Galaxy Z Fold 5. So prospective buyers will have to decide whether that extra cost and the various hardware and software upgrades on offer are worth it. Samsung would, of course, point to all the improved and refined AI features that have come to the Z Fold 6, as well as the fact it's the most powerful and durable Samsung foldable made so far. Major changes in Samsung Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy, the same as the one found in the Galaxy S24 Ultra and currently the most powerful Android chipset on the market. Despite rumors of a major redesign, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 looks more or less the same as before. It is fractionally shorter and wider, but not to the same extent as other foldables. The Z Fold 6 has a new dual rail hinge that is stronger and thinner, and combined with an FT6 protective screen, later offers better shock resistance and a reduced display crease. The Z Fold 6 has an official dust resistance rating for the first time, offering IP48 protection against water and dust ingress. AI features have been improved and optimized for foldables. This includes Interpreter Mode's real-time translation, which can display both sides of a conversation on each display. The Z Fold 6 is noticeably thinner and lighter, weighing half an ounce less at 8.4 ounces. The phone is 0.47 inches when measured, 0.06 inches less than the Z Fold 5. Meanwhile, Samsung says that the Z Fold 6 is more durable than last year, thanks in part to the new dual rail hinge technology. This is thinner and stronger, offering improved protection and a reduced display crease. Also adding extra protection is an FTG layer on the inner screen, an Armor aluminum frame, and IP48 dust resistance. That's the first time a Z Fold has had a formal rating for dust protection. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy, a specially optimized version of Qualcomm's latest system-on-chip that was previously exclusive to the Galaxy S24 Ultra. That should give it a performance advantage over the best Android phones, as well as all the power efficiency benefits afforded by the chipset. So, in theory, it should make the 4,400 mAh battery last longer, even if it's the exact same size as the one on the Z Fold 5. AI updates are the biggest draw this year, with the Z Fold 6 enjoying the full suite of Galaxy AI features that launched earlier this year. The only new exclusive feature we have is the Sketch to Image, which turns doodles into realistic objects, and Portrait Studio, which can convert your selfies into a number of different art styles, all using generative AI. Plus, like current Galaxy S24 flagships, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is set to get 7 years of software and security updates. Our Galaxy Z Fold 6 versus Galaxy Z Fold 5 comparison has a more thorough look at the similarities and differences between the two phones.